one question. How does your money not end?
You know, I started off in Brooklyn. My father gave me a small loan of $1 million.
I have been waiting for this situation for weeks. This time I will set the stop loss. The price is very close to stop loss. The price hit the stop loss.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.
And it's going to move down.
This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back. And it's weighing down heavy on me, and it's not okay. Can you help a nigga out and just stop this? Please?
I'm going to open a short here. They know when I open the trade. Do they have a camera here?